Hello, welcome to Jerry Monetization Vlog. Today I'll be showing you how to verify your identity on YouTube without receiving the AdSense pin. This method is how to verify your location on YouTube without the AdSense pin. Alright, let's get into the video. Please, if you are new to my channel, Jerry Monetization Vlog, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that you get notified each time I upload relevant videos. Alright, if you have requested for AdSense pin and you were unable to receive it at your post office, this is what to do. First and foremost, you must have requested for this pin 4 times. Alright, so when you request the first pin and you were unable to receive it, after 3 weeks, you'll be able to request a replacement pin. So go ahead and request a replacement pin. If you do not know how to change your address, your billing address, and resend a pin, you can check at the description of this video. You will see a link on how to resend a pin if you do not know how to do that. So you must have sent the pin for 3 times. Then you will receive another option to verify your identity using a document, either your ID card or the statement of your account or your recent electric bill or phone bills which has your address on it. All right, let's look into this. All right, like you can see on my channel here, it says you are no longer showing adverts on your channel because the pin has expired. I should have verified my address by now. So when you have done all the process, like requesting your pin 3 times and you did not receive it, this is what you should do. Go to Google and search for AdSense Pin Troubleshooter. Search AdSense Pin Troubleshooter. So it will open this particular page here. I will also put the link on the description. AdSense Pin Troubleshooter. You click on it. Then it will show you to confirm if this email here is your email, is the email to the YouTube you are trying to use. So, like you can see, it says when your AdSense pin reach the verification threshold, we will physically post you a physical identification pin. So I've confirmed that this is my email, and I click the continuation button. It says pin arrived, check. No, I haven't received my pin. You have to read these things one after the other. So it will now ask me to contact their support team. Like you can read this. Upon checking your account, it looks like you have already requested 4 pins. So you must have requested 4 pins. Then click on contact form. I opened it in the new tab. All right, now it shows this form for you to fill it. Your personal identification pin. This is another way to verify it without receiving the letter. So what you should do is fill these forms accordingly. If you do not know where to get your POP number, this is what to do. From the action, go to payment info, then go to manage settings. Manage settings. When you open your manage settings, you can find your AdSense POP number there. Look at it, that is it here. I'm going to close some region of my, some part of it for some reasons. So what you should do is to copy the number exactly the way it is here, payment account nickname. Just copy the POP number exactly the way it is there. Just copy it. your AdSense form number, copy it, then return to the form, paste it there. Yes, your AdSense publisher ID, you paste it there. Then enter your name, exactly the name that you have entered in your AdSense, and it should be the exact name on your document or your ID which you want to use to verify your AdSense. So when you must have done that, make sure the name on your AdSense is the exact name on your ID or the statement of account or whatever document you are using to verify your AdSense. So I have put in my name and my publisher ID. So after filling these two things, the next thing you should do is upload the file which you want to use. Now you can read this. It says, when filling in the form below, please make sure to attach a clear and visible proof of identity in order to confirm the validity of the postal address set in your AdSense account. Now, you either use your government-issued ID card or bank statement, telephone bill, or recent receipt. The most important thing is that these files you are trying to use to verify your AdSense, it must have your address, your billing address written on it. If it does not have your address attached to it, then it is invalid. It must have your name and your address on it. Then you upload it, then click on submit. After uploading it, click on submit. It usually takes just few hours or highest 24 hours. Your AdSense will be verified. This is what I did, and the next day I checked and I saw that my address has been verified, and I received my payment instantly. They sent me my payment within 3 days. It reflected to my account because my payment was on hold for like 4 months. Yeah, for 4 or 3 months, my payment was on hold. So this was the way I verified my identity without the AdSense pin. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, see you in the next video.